Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am here with the new off-campus recruitment drive from the Capgemini company. So Capgemini is conducting a full off-campus drive for the BCA and BSc graduates for the batch of 2022. Job location will be Mumbai and Pune. This is going to be a full-time position. As you all know, Capgemini is a very good organization, MNC company. So no need to worry about that, and application deadline is 26th of August 2022 till 12 p.m. till 11:59 p.m. you can apply. Okay, CTC they are providing you 2.75 lakh per annum. So they have also provided job description as well. Eligibility criteria first we will check. These positions are currently open for women candidates graduated in 2022. So BCA and BSc candidates. Qualification required BCA or BSc, open for computer science, information technology, electronics, statistics, mathematics branches only. Okay, only women candidates will be allowed. Candidates should not have any backlog at the time of appearing for the process. Candidates should finish BCA or BSc within the stipulated time. Please note that these positions are open for Capgemini Mumbai and Pune offices only. You may have to be physically present in Mumbai or Pune offices during the training. Your training will be conducted in the office, and you need to go to the office to attend the training. Okay, it is not like work from home. Okay, so post successful after completion of your training period, you would be required to work in a hybrid pattern of working from office and home as per company policy. If the suppose if company allows you to work from home, then you can do work from home. If the company do not allow to do the work from home, then you need to work from the office, either from Mumbai office or Pune office after completion of your training period. So it will be totally dependent on the company policy. You should be open to sign a bond or contract agreement of 2 years service level agreement at the time of joining. There will be a bond for the 2 years. You should be flexible to work from any Capgemini location across technology domain and should be flexible to work in shifts if required. Okay, so if required, then you need to work on in the shifts as well. Only shortlisted candidates will be invited for the test assessment or selection process. Entire selection process from test till interview will be done in virtual mode. Okay, so from the test, your aptitude test, your interviews, these will be conducted in virtual mode only. That means you can attend from your home. Okay, for this selection process, no need to go anywhere. Candidates will be responsible for arranging required infrastructure for the virtual hiring process. Like you should have your own laptop to attend your test as well as your interview. Okay, so this these things or these points have provided by the Capgemini. So please guys, don't miss this chance. You just click on apply now button to apply for this drive and enter your email ID here. Let me enter my email ID just to show you for as an example. I have entered my email ID here. Click on next. Now you will get this button, register and apply. Click on that. Now it will be redirected to this page. Okay. You need to fill all these details: your first name, your middle name, last name, your date of birth, your gender in college, your primary email address. You need to reconfirm your email address, personal email address. Okay, give your mobile number correct, because further communication will be happen only through either mail ID or mobile number. Okay, once you fill all these details, click on I agree. Okay, then tick here that I am not a robot. Then once you fill all these details, click on save and next. Then you will redirect to second page, that is contact details. Okay. After that you will be redirected to current or most recent education. Then again, once you fill these details, you will be redirected to previous education page. And once you fill this one, then you need to fill internship and work experience, as um, you will go as a fresher, so no need to enter about your work experience. If you have done any internship, then you can put those information. Then you need to upload your profile photo and required documents, and all done. And in this way you can apply for this Capgemini drive. So those candidates who are interested in this position, please apply, don't miss this chance. Please share this video with your friends as well, so that they will also get a chance to apply. And thanks for watching this video.